In this episode, we will be introducing some advanced syntax commands. Why are these called advanced syntax commands? It is because the basic syntax commands and rules we have introduced in the previous episodes, such as keyword plus part of speech, wildcard, or underscore, allow users to locate a wide range of search results and could be used in a more diverse and flexible way. On the other hand, the 4 advanced commands we are introducing in this episode are more context-dependent. These commands involve the use of several symbols and rules to query Linggle for more specific phrases and example sentences in a more narrow context. We will introduce 4 advanced commands, including $, tilde, question mark, and finally curly brackets. Let's start from the first command, the $. In Linggle, you can use the $, to search for word components, such as prefixes and suffixes. In English, we add prefixes before the base or the stem of a word. For example, unusual means not usual. We also add suffixes after the base or the stem of a word. For example, profitable, able is used to form adjective. For EFL or ESL learners, it is sometimes difficult to decide which prefix or which suffix is right. For example, there are many negative affixes such as this, in, im, ir, ill, un, miss, less, etc. Different words matched with different negative affixes. So if you want to generate the antonym of a certain word, for example, available, you might not be too sure which prefix to use. Should it be inavailable or unavailable? Linggle can help with this. From the Linggle search results, we know that unavailable is the correct one. Similarly, the antonyms of the following words are easy to find using the $. Regular, irregular, balance, imbalance, respect, disrespect, correct, incorrect, known, unknown. By using the $, we immediately found the correct antonyms. What a quick way! In addition to prefixes, suffixes are confusing sometimes. By adding different suffixes, words change their part of speech and sometimes change their meanings too. Suffixes are used differently from word to word. You can also use the $, to help you find the correct suffix usages. For example, if you want to know how many possible variations the word analysis has, you can type in $, and you will get the following results: analysis, analyze, analytical, analyst, analyzer. If you want to learn more about the composition or variations of a word, you can make good use of this feature. The second command is tilde. Tilde is used to find synonyms. Place tilde in front of a keyword to find the synonym of the word. Take the phrase we have mentioned earlier, conduct a study. We can use tilde to find an alternative word for conduct. Input the pattern, tilde conduct, a study, and you can find advanced usages such as undertake a study and perform a study. Using tilde, you can search for any collocation alternatives without having to buy a collocation dictionary. For example, the following examples of tilde improve the performance and tilde important: role, enhance the performance, optimize the performance, key role, vital role. By using tilde, we can easily find some synonyms. This will provide us more alternative words to use during the writing process. The third command is the question mark. This command is used when you want Linggle to check whether a word is needed in a certain phrase. Influenced by first language, sometimes we add unnecessary prepositions. If we have a doubt, we can place a question mark in front of a keyword to confirm the usage quickly. Let's take a look at the following two sentences. I will discuss about the issue in the next section. I will discuss the issue in the next section. Should we say discuss about the issue or discuss the issue? Which is correct? You can use the question mark pattern, discuss, question mark about, the issue. As you can see on the screen, discuss the issue accounted for 99.9% in the corpus, showing that we do not need to add about after discuss. In addition to prepositions, articles such as a, and the are also one of the difficulties we often encounter when learning English. The best scenario for a question mark pattern is when you're not sure whether you need an article or not. For example, should you say listen to the music or listen to music? You will find that listen to music will be fine. But when do you add the article the? Look at the example sentences and you'll see that you don't use the music unless you're referring to a specific piece of music. For example, I deliberately watched the movie to listen to the music. That means that I watched this movie specifically to listen to the music in the movie. We add the article the if we want to emphasize the music written or performed by the particular musician too. The fourth command is curly brackets. Curly brackets can be used to sort out the order of words within the phrase in the brackets. For example, if you want to write Descartes' famous sentence, I think, therefore I am, but don't quite remember how to write it, just remember the words that appeared in a sentence. At this point, you just put all the occurrences of words in curly brackets and get our search formula. I think, I am, therefore. You put this formula into Linggle and that Linggle help you find the correct ordering. As shown on the screen, I think, therefore I am is the most widely used, which is the correct usage. Let me give you another example. If you want to say Christmas is coming soon, is it better to use it will soon be Christmas or soon it will be Christmas? The results of the corpus search show that both combinations are fine, but soon it will be Christmas has a lot more frequencies. Isn't it fun and convenient? In this episode, we have introduced 4 advanced symbols and commands. Although they are used in a more narrow context, they can help you to find the information needed when used appropriately. With some practice, you'll find that the syntax commands are simple, intuitive, and easy to use. Whether you are an advanced learner, an intermediate learner, or a beginner, after you learn these syntax commands, you'll be able to use Linggle to help you solve collocation and vocabulary problems.